change of scenery today. Welcome to our kitchen. We're going to be making 3 different trail mixes to spice it up from the regular peanut M&M raisins. These are super easy and really delicious, and not only are they great for taking out on the trail, they're really great for road trips or car camping, stuff like that. Little warning though, each of these does contain a nut, so if you have a nut allergy, you might want to substitute those out for like a seed option like pumpkin or sunflower, or a dry roasted bean like soybean or chickpea. That way you keep that protein element without the risk of anaphylactic shock. Let's get to it. So the first trail mix we've got is Tropical Paradise. We're going to mix together dried pineapple and papaya, dried banana chips, some coconut slivers, almonds, and cashews. Another great nut option that you could add to this is macadamia nuts, but those tend to be on the pricier side. Also, dried mango would work great in this as well. Alright guys, the next mix we have is Peanut Butter Blast. This one's actually Nick's favorite. It's got mini marshmallows, mini Reese's peanut butter cups, Reese's Pieces, kind peanut butter clusters, graham cracker teddy bears, the honey kind and the chocolate, peanuts, and pretzels. We like to add the kind peanut butter clusters because on their own they're kind of hard to eat, but we like to mix them with things like yogurt, and they're really great in this trail mix. Also, if you're worried about melting while on the trail with the peanut butter cups, you can always leave those out, but I actually think that would make it a lot better. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Alright, the third trail mix is Chocolate Covered Strawberry. This one is my favorite. It's got popcorn, freeze-dried strawberries, dark chocolate chips, pecans, and almonds. Some other great nut options that you can do as well are walnuts or macadamia nuts, but a little on the pricier side like I said before. You could also do freeze-dried raspberries. With the popcorn, we've done the microwave popcorn, but if you're concerned about popcorn going stale, you could always use a bagged option like Skinny Pop. Alright guys, so there's some super easy, delicious trail mixes that you can try on your next hike or road trip or camping adventure. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. It really does help our channel out. And if you'd like to find your way back here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys for watching. We look forward to seeing you on our next video.